Hello guys, welcome once again to PPC Ads for YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over how to upgrade your Universal Analytics into GA4. Let's log into Google Analytics. Right now in this Google Analytics, we created one account and a property. This is the existing Universal Analytics in your website at the moment. Let's go to admin, and here you wanna find one account, my website analytics account, and second one is property, website analytics property. Now we're gonna install Google Analytics 4 into the same account. For the next step, we're gonna create GA4 property in the same account. Let's click on create property. Even though we can go with GA4 setup assistant, I'm gonna go with create new property. Let's hit on create new property and enter your property name over here. I'm just gonna enter Google Analytics latest version. Next reporting time zone, I'm gonna go with United Arab Emirates and currency United Arab Emirates dirham. The next step there you can see show advanced option. Right now we're gonna create Google Analytics 4, so we no need to go with that show advanced option. Let's click on next button. Then here you wanna fill up your business information, like your industry and business size and how you gonna use this Google Analytics. Here you want to choose your data stream, choose your platform, whether iOS, Android app or website. I'm gonna go with website. The first step you have to choose whether it's HTTP or HTTPS. I'm gonna go with HTTP. Let's enter your website URL. And there you have to name your stream. Like I'm just gonna name it like my website. And here you wanna ticket all these options, enhanced measurement. Make sure you are ticket on all these enhanced measurement like page view, scroll, outbound click, site search, video engagement and file downloads. Then hit on create a stream button. And here you wanna find your stream URL, stream name, measurement ID. Right now you would see here global site tag. Currently, we already installed this Google site tag on our website for Universal Analytics. If you copy paste this code on your header section, your Universal Analytics doesn't work. Then only trigger Google Analytics 4. If you want to keep Universal Analytics and GA4 in your website at the same time, there is another option. Let's copy this measurement ID from right top corner. Then go to your Universal Analytics property. And here you wanna go to tracking info, then tracking code. Let's see here underneath the global site tag, there you can see connected site tag. Let's click on it. Next, you have to paste that ID over here. Then you can name it. It's optional. If you want to skip, you can skip. Hit on connect. Right now we upgraded to GA4 without making any changes in your website or any changes on that particular codes. So that's it for in this tutorial. I'm just gonna show you how does it work both Universal Analytics and GA4. Let's go to GA4 properties. On the other tab, we're gonna open real-time overview in GA4 properties. Then here you wanna open real-time overview in Universal Analytics. Let's check it. Here you can find there is one user in GA4 properties and there is another one is Universal Analytics. There also you can find one user in real-time overview. So that's it for in this tutorial. In this tutorial we learn how to upgrade your Universal Analytics into GA4. We can keep both Universal Analytics and GA4 in the same account, Google Analytics account. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.